Reports are powerful in the Avant-Garde Gateway. In order to get to your reports, you'll hover over the Reports tab and select the appropriate report that you want to go into. We're going to go into the transaction report. Going forward, recognize that all reports behave the same way. When we select in it, you first are presented with search parameters. You can fill out all search parameters or make it a wide scope and only fill out certain ones. I personally like to just go for dates, as usually I can find the transaction I'm looking for. However, for merchants who have a high number of transactions, you may need to get a lot more specific in order to find the transaction that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to select our dates and I'm going to go to July 31st. So we're going to have July 31st through August 3rd. I'm going to select search. And you'll notice it shows me all transactions that have occurred since July 31st to this date. A couple of the key features to recognize: you can export to Excel, export to text, you can refine the search or start a new search completely. Also, with each one of these transactions, you can view that transaction. Go ahead and select into that. In viewing the transaction, you'll have all the information you would need to identify what happened. Additionally, another powerful function is you have the ability to email the receipt. If this were a successful transaction, you'd be able to email that receipt again to the customer or yourself, as well as you can print these details. I'm going to go back to the report section. The settlement report will go over all of your batches. Activity report will show all activity on the gateway. If you have multiple users on the gateway, the user event log will go through each activity done by user. Very powerful in order to see what was done and how it was done and even when it was done. If you have further questions regarding the reporting structure or the report's capability of the Avant-Garde Gateway, please don't hesitate to call us. Our number is 866-951-2467.